everyone, this is Leslie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment down below if you have any suggestions on what to do in my next vlog, and click the notification bell to be updated for more of my upcoming videos. So for today's vlog, this is just a short film. I'm going to share with you guys a little overview of what I did today. And we went to the Dufferin nature park something, Dufferin Islands nature something blah blah blah. And also it's my first time to eat at Burger King, thanks to Ate for the treat. And what else did I do? Oh, I went to the bank, but I did not record anything because it's confidential.
Flashback.
Hey guys, we went to stroll at the lake here near Niagara Falls, and there we can see a lot of ducks surrounding us. Excuse me. Okay, that's it. Makalingaw, gisikmit ang price ni John Wayne. Ay, nako, so nice.
Wala na kayo. Na? Muha lagi.
Hi! Hi! So cute! Hey guys! So cute! Niagara Parks Environmental Project. Hala, kadaghan ba ninyo, oy? Ooh! Don't feed the birds, di ay. Dili pwede. Niagara Parks. Niagara Parks. Niagara Parks. Niagara. Niagara. Look at them! They're so cute! Ayan! First time to eat Burger King. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye!